recording for CIS 225. I'm going to go ahead and bring up VMware, and we're going to click on Start, right click on Computer, go into Manage, and then we're going to highlight Disk Management underneath Storage, and then we're going to notice our Data Volume 3 does not currently have a drive letter on it. And then we're going to right click on Data Volume 3 and change the drive letter and path from the pop-up menu. And then as you can see, there's currently no drive letter. We're going to click Add. We're going to assign this thing Drive Volume Y. And then we're going to go ahead and click OK. So Data Volume 3 is now listed as Drive Volume Y. We're also going to comment about this being in FAT32 format instead of NTNFS, because we're going to probably be changing that coming up here. So the next step from the book is to open the computer browser window and create a text document in Y called Memo. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close this out. And go ahead and X that off. I already took the liberty of doing the step that they said there by putting the drive volume on Y array, the memo. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close that off. And our next step is to click Start, go up to the All Program Search thing here and type in CMD to bring up the command prompt. Actually, they wanted me to right click on that and select it as Run as Administrator, which shouldn't change anything because the only one logged in on this is the administrator, but we'll go ahead and do it the way the book says. Okay, so now we're going to enter the command convert probably an uppercase Y. Looks like there's a space between the slash and that. Not a question mark, silly. Okay. FS NT FS. I'm going to press Enter. Okay, then we're going to type in DATA-VOL3 and press Enter. Probably have to do it exactly as it's named. So, let me pause this for a second while I go check the name on that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. Type in convert Y, and then I want to press Enter. Current volume label, which is DATA space VOL3. Hit Enter. Convert cannot run because of this all process. Convert may run this volume if it is dismounted first. All open handles to this volume would be invalid. Would you like to force dismount on this volume? Sure, why not? conversion is complete. So then we're going to go ahead and open up computer. Let's look. CMD. Okay, we're going to open up the computer and check volume, drive volume Y, and check that our memo which we created earlier is still there, which it is. Excuse me. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to see that it says NTNFS, or NTFS, I mean, for our volume on drive Y now. Alright. To convert Y back to F32 or FA32, volume must first be formatted. Right click on Y in disk management window, select format in the pop-up window to make it back into volume 32, which is actually what I did earlier in the chapter because I didn't have it set to FAT32 to start with. So you go format, data volume 3, file system, and then we click OK. And then we're going to click OK. And this is, unlike the convert command, going to delete our memo, because it erases everything on the hard drive when formatted, which is why it said back up anything you don't want to lose there in that warning. So we're going to go ahead and close this window and go back into the computer. And my background disappeared in the middle of this video because apparently after an hour the background drops off. And as you can see, data volume 3 is empty again. Alright, that's going to close out our video here. And I'll see you guys when I make my next one.